The country that leads the world in confirmed COVID-19 cases and deaths reaching another grim milestone. Known infections in the U.S. now topping 40 million. That's including 4 million just in the last 4 weeks alone. Deaths stand at about 650,000. And with a Delta-driven wave growing, the White House confirming Tuesday the U.S. president is set to unveil a 6-pronged strategy this week aimed at stemming the spread of the virus. Exactly what the plan will include isn't clear just yet. Joe Biden's scheduled to make the announcement Thursday, just as more children are heading back to school, raising concerns of greater spread. And the jump in cases is straining medical resources in many states. As the Washington Post reports, the number of COVID-19 patients in U.S. hospitals this Labor Day was nearly twice the number recorded last Labor Day. And with about 47% of Americans not fully vaccinated, top White House medical advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci telling CNN Tuesday,
"We have about 75 million people in this country who are eligible to be vaccinated who are not yet vaccinated. If we get the overwhelming majority of those people vaccinated, we could turn this around even as we go into the cooler weather of the fall. We can do it. It's within our grasp."
To Australia, the country's prime minister facing backlash for flying from one state to another over the weekend for Australia's Father's Day. That's at a time when millions are not allowed to travel, with more than half the country under coronavirus lockdown. Scott Morrison defending his trip, saying he was given an exemption by health authorities, who say the PM is an essential worker. And in Vietnam, a court sentencing a man to 5 years in prison for breaking coronavirus rules, according to state media. The 28-year-old was reportedly convicted of spreading dangerous infectious diseases by breaching 21-day quarantine regulations after traveling between Ho Chi Minh City and southern Vietnam, infecting 8 people. One of them died. And an update from the UK Tuesday. The government is denying reports that there are plans for what's being called a fire break lockdown in England, specifically during the October school break. But as The Guardian reports, Downing Street has not ruled out a fire break lockdown as a last resort if hospitals become overwhelmed. Now, on Tuesday, Britain confirming 209 new COVID-19 deaths. That's the highest daily total since March. Melissa Duggan, City News.